So, continuing where we went off last time, you're just going to go ahead and click on Anaconda, wherever it downloaded, most likely in your downloads area. Go through the steps. Choose whether you want it to be just for your user or everyone else. Choose where you want to place it. Choose where you want to, if you want to have a shortcut, and whether you want it part of your path, and just click and install. That's it. Now, once it's installed, you're going to have something like this. Just going to load it up really quick, give it a moment or two to properly display. Yeah, that's initializing. Okay. And I'm just going to walk you through a few aspects of this to keep it very simple. Now, everything should be pretty straightforward with this, but just to show you anyways, you have the ability to sign up first off, and if you do sign up, this tool does have an AI assistant as well for coding, if that is something you want to explore. Regardless, to start off, you'll see a series of icons. Not all of them will be installed. What you want to install for sure is Jupyter Notebook. There is a learning section if you, again, want to explore coding. And then there's something called environment. Now, this isn't too important when it comes to what you are doing, but if there ever comes a time that you need to start making a lot of programs with different libraries and stuff, you can create a new environment, and it will let you, you name it, right? And then it will let you choose the version that you want to install. And that environment will be specifically for whatever you're using. Now, when you create it, you can go ahead and choose this, and everything will load up to that specific environment. Again, this is only if you start like automating with like a lot of tools, because some tools don't always work with the same packages and stuff that other tools work with. All right. So also, this won't be installed off the bat. So remember, install it. I'm gonna go ahead and launch it. And I'm just going to show you two different things. So it's going to load up wherever you set up your file path. And I have this folder for my projects since I do code. But two quick notes. If you want to launch something, like earlier, it's very straightforward. You just go to examples. And then you don't go to examples. My bad. You just press new, and then you click this, and it will make a brand new Jupyter Notebook, whatever, that you can run whatever you want. Using this is very simple. This lets you add comments without having to worry about any code or anything. If you press B outside of the block, it will let you create multiple blocks. If you press double D, it will delete the block that you're on. And yeah, that's about it. If you want to run something, just press play. If you want to stop it here, if you ever need to restart it for whatever reason, just go ahead here and restart kernel or restart and run all cells, and they'll restart everything. So I'm going to go back to my earlier folder really quick. What I meant by examples is this is just the example code that we used earlier from. Or actually, the example code that we'll be showing in a little bit in the next section. You just press this, and it will run the program. Let me restart it really quick. You see that star that shows that it's compiling currently, whatever. And then once it shows a number, whatever, that section, this block, will have run. And since it's printing something ever, you can see it down below. Now I'm going to offer one other quick note, even though you guys aren't specifically here for coding. Here. And I will show you momentarily.